Looking for a portable power station that can back up your entire home and still be easy to take on the road? The Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus might be exactly what you're looking for. What's up, guys? Today we're taking a look at the Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus, one of Jackery's most popular power stations and one of the models that mark their move into full home backup systems. As the name suggests, this unit offers around 3600 watt-hours of battery capacity, making it capable of powering a wide variety of household appliances. It's also expandable, packed with useful features, and designed for both home backup and portable use. In this review, I'll walk you through its design, features, performance, and my overall thoughts after using it. Starting with the design, the power station is surprisingly compact for its capacity. It isn't overly bulky, making it much easier to transport than you might expect. There are sturdy carrying handles on the top, and one of my favorite features is the retractable handle paired with built-in wheels. That makes it easy to roll around the house or load into a vehicle without having to carry nearly 80 pounds the entire time. One thing I've always liked about Jackery products is how everything is laid out. Nearly all of the ports you'll use every day are located on the front, making them quick and easy to access. On the front panel, you'll find 4 AC outlets, delivering up to 3,600 watts of continuous output, with surge capability reaching 7,200 watts. That's enough to power multiple household appliances at once, including devices that require extra power during startup, such as air conditioners. One feature that really sets this unit apart is the ability to connect two HomePower 3600 Plus units together in parallel. Instead of simply adding expansion batteries, you can actually combine two complete power stations to deliver up to 7,200 watts of continuous output. That's something you don't often see on power stations in this category. You'll also find a dedicated RV outlet on the front, which is a great addition for anyone who enjoys camping or traveling. By itself, the unit provides 120-volt output through the RV plug. When paired with a second HomePower 3600 Plus, it can provide split-phase 240-volt power, giving you even more flexibility for larger appliances and home backup applications. Turning the power station on is simple. Hold the power button for a few seconds, activate the AC output, and all of the outlets become ready to use. The display clearly shows battery percentage, input power, output power, estimated runtime, and output voltage, making it easy to monitor everything at a glance. For smaller devices, there are two 100-watt USB-C ports, along with two 18-watt USB-A ports. Since more electronics are moving to USB-C, it's great to see Jackery include two full-power USB-C outputs for charging laptops, tablets, and other modern devices. Moving to the side of the unit, this is where you'll find the expansion and charging connections. The AC expansion port allows the system to grow from roughly 3.6 kilowatt-hours all the way up to 21 kilowatt-hours of battery capacity using expansion batteries. If you connect two complete HomePower 3600 Plus units together, each system can still be expanded individually, bringing the total capacity up to an impressive 43 kilowatt-hours. That level of scalability makes this system suitable for everything from emergency backup to full home energy storage. Charging options are equally flexible. Solar charging supports up to 1,000 watts of input through two separate solar ports, allowing multiple solar panels to be connected at the same time. While I do wish the solar input were a little higher, it still recharges the battery in roughly 4 hours under ideal conditions. AC wall charging is significantly faster. With up to 1,800 watts of input, the battery can recharge in about 2.5 hours. Even better, you can combine AC charging with solar charging at the same time, increasing total input to around 2,500 watts and reducing recharge time to roughly 2 hours. It also supports pass-through charging, so you can continue powering your devices while the battery is recharging. Another thing that impressed me is the weight. At about 77 pounds, it's noticeably lighter than some competing models in the same capacity class. For comparison, units like the EcoFlow Delta Pro weigh close to 100 pounds, so the lighter design makes a real difference when moving it around. To demonstrate its performance, I connected a phone charger along with an electric kettle drawing roughly 1,500 watts. Even with the battery sitting at only 4%, the HomePower 3600 Plus handled the load effortlessly. There were no signs of struggling, and the display accurately updated the remaining runtime while powering everything without issue. You can also control the entire power station through the Jackery app, allowing you to monitor battery status, enable or disable AC output, and manage the system remotely, which adds another level of convenience. Overall, I've been very impressed with the Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus. It combines strong output power, expandable battery capacity, fast charging, RV compatibility, app control, and a surprisingly portable design into one complete package. If you're looking for a reliable power station in the 3600 watt-hour class that can serve as both a portable power source and the foundation of a full home backup system, I think this is an excellent option and definitely worth considering. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.